Then he arose and rebuked the wind and said to the sea, Peace, be still. And the wind ceased, and there was a great calm. Mark 4:39. But he said to them, Why are you so fearful? How is it that you have no faith? Mark 4:40. And they feared exceedingly, and said to one another, Who can this be, that even the wind and the sea obey him? Mark 4:41. Come to me, all you who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11:28. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. Matthew 11:29. Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations, and I will be exalted in the earth. Psalms 46:10. Have you not known? Have you not heard? The everlasting God, the Lord, the Creator of the ends of the earth, neither faints nor is weary. His understanding is unsearchable. Isaiah 40:28. He gives power to the weak, and to those who have no might, he increases strength. Isaiah 40:29. But those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. Isaiah 40:31. For since the beginning of the world, men have not heard nor perceived by the ear, nor has the eye seen any God besides you, who acts for the one who waits for him. Isaiah 64:4.